Hi, this is Freddie for Platinum Auto World. Today we're going to be taking a look at this truck that just came in. This right here is a one owner 2017 Dodge Ram 3500 four-wheel drive. It is a 6.7 Cummins diesel, and it comes loaded with a Laramie package. It's only got 20,000 miles. One owner, no accidents. Got heated and cooling seats, backup camera. We lift the tailgate down. This comes with navigation, radio, media, hook up your phone. Climate controls are here too, which you can easily access them here as well, but I guess that makes you more fancy. And you got apps that you can download, or it's got Yelp right there. Navigation, and you can also hook up your iPhone or Android. And right here's the vented seats, heated seats for the passenger seat, driver side, heated steering, and the exhaust brake, traction control, and the trailer brake controller right here. It's a beautiful truck. It's loaded with everything. Very clean interior. I'm glad they made them bigger, because now they have more room in these cabs than before. Let's look at the underneath. Give us a call at 540-898-8300. This truck is available now at driveplatinum.com. Feel free to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We try to post content daily. 540-898-8300.